You are going to love the 2017 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax